This great southern land, under southern skies, but the dreams fading fast, mates. Listen up. In this great southern land, they say no room to spare, but it's all a big lie, endless dirt everywhere. Governments lock it up tight, zones tape so grand, blocks shrink to nothing, $500,000 for worthless sand. Services, 40 grand max, but they jack it sky high. Builders and bankers laughing while battlers cry. $1 million for a shack, overspected, oversold, trapped in debt forever, chains of mortgage gold. Under southern skies, the fair goes just a myth. Collusion in the shadows keeps us adrift. Oh, the dreams turn to dust, families torn at the seams, kids in strangers' arms, parents chasing empty schemes, health in the gutter, no backyard to call our own. Debt slavery's the game, and we're all alone. If fairness still matters, hear the cry from the crowd. Housing's a need, not a jackpot allowed. Under southern skies, we're breaking, can't you see? This great southern land should set us free. Grandmas used to mind the kids, no fees, just love and time. Now childcare rivals rent, $1 billion crime. Schools teach us to obey, chase creds that led to debt, while AI waits to free us, but the system's not done yet. No land means no veggies, no sun, just stress and pills. Apartments pack us in, while fat cats foot the bills. Families fractured wide, health crumbling day by day. This ain't a fair go, mate, it's designed that way. Under southern skies, the bonds are wearing thin. This great southern land, where do we begin? Oh, the dreams turn to dust, families torn at the seams, kids in strangers' arms, parents chasing empty schemes, health in the gutter, no backyard to call our own. Debt slavery's the game, and we're all alone. If fairness still matters, hear the cry from the crowd. Housing's a need, not a jackpot allowed. Under southern skies, we're breaking, can't you see? This great southern land should set us free, but we can smash it now, release the land so free. Build basic homes, 100K for you and me. National bank, it costs no leeches to bleed us dry. Granny flats and AI schools under one big sky. Bring families back together, grow food and heal the soul. Lower debt, stronger bonds, we take back control. Extended kin, no more chains to bind this great southern land, leaving debt behind. Oh, the dreams coming back, families whole once more. Kids with their kin, open every door. Health on the rise, backyards blooming green. Debt, slavery shattered, we're living the scene. If fairness still matters, rise up. southern land. For me and for you.
Thank you very much so much.